Hello, Nuance Art family. Welcome back to your favorite channel, where we bring you the most inspiring home designs and interior ideas from around the globe. In today's episode, we're diving into a magical and enchanting topic, a collection of cave house designs that radiate rustic beauty and blend seamlessly with nature. From homes carved into mountainsides to earthy havens hidden within natural rock formations, these designs redefine sustainable and harmonious living. If you're passionate about unique architecture and eco-friendly living spaces, this video is for you. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to Nuance Art, give this video a thumbs up, and let us know your favorite design in the comments below. Ready to explore these mesmerizing homes? Let's get started. Cave houses hold a timeless charm. Their rustic allure comes from the natural elements: stone walls, earthy tones, and organic shapes that create a cozy, grounded living experience. Unlike conventional homes, cave houses are carved directly into the landscape, often utilizing existing rock formations or mountainsides. This approach not only preserves the environment, but also offers excellent insulation, keeping the interior cool in summer and warm in winter. Rustic beauty emerges in every corner, from arched ceilings to rugged stone textures. Combined with modern design touches like soft lighting and wooden accents, these homes create a perfect balance between the old and the new. Cave houses remind us that sometimes, nature provides the best design inspiration. Cave homes aren't just a modern trend. They're rooted in ancient history. Many civilizations, from the Cappadocians in Turkey to the Berbers in North Africa, built homes within caves to utilize the natural shelter they provided. Today, architects are reviving these traditions by merging historical techniques with contemporary innovations. Modern cave houses feature luxurious amenities like open kitchens, sleek bathrooms, and spacious living areas, while retaining the organic feel of their ancient predecessors. By honoring historical influences, these designs show us how past ingenuity can inform and inspire the present. One of the standout features of cave house designs is their deep connection to nature. Unlike traditional construction, which often disrupts the landscape, cave houses embrace and work with the natural environment. The result? A sustainable, eco-friendly living space that minimizes the carbon footprint. These homes use fewer materials and rely on natural rock for insulation, reducing energy consumption. Additionally, they often incorporate renewable energy sources, rainwater harvesting systems, and green roofs to enhance their harmony with the environment. For those seeking a sustainable lifestyle, cave houses are an inspiring option. Stepping inside a cave house is like entering a warm, inviting retreat. The interiors are typically designed to feel cozy and serene, with soft, neutral color palettes and natural materials like wood, stone, and clay. Rounded edges and curved walls create a sense of fluidity and peace, reflecting the natural contours of the earth. To enhance the rustic charm, many cave houses feature custom furniture, built-in niches, and earthy decor. The dim lighting, often achieved with LED strips or recessed fixtures, adds a touch of modern elegance. These interiors prove that even unconventional spaces can feel like home. Cave houses are often celebrated for their ability to blur the lines between indoor and outdoor spaces. Many designs include expansive openings, skylights, or terraces that allow natural light to flood the interiors and offer breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Imagine sipping your morning coffee on a stone patio overlooking a lush valley, or enjoying a starlit dinner in a courtyard carved into the rock. These seamless transitions between the inside and outside create a harmonious living experience that brings you closer to nature every day. From arid deserts to lush hillsides, cave houses can be found in some of the world's most picturesque locations. Places like Cappadocia in Turkey, Matera in Italy, and the cliffs of Santorini in Greece are renowned for their stunning cave dwellings. Each location offers its own unique charm, shaped by the local climate, culture, and geology. These homes often serve as boutique hotels or vacation rentals, providing travelers with a one-of-a-kind experience. Whether perched on a cliffside or hidden in a forest, Cave houses showcase the beauty of blending architecture with the natural world. Building a cave house is no small feat. It requires careful planning and skilled craftsmanship to ensure structural stability and ventilation. Excavating rock is labor-intensive, and working with irregular shapes poses design challenges. However, for those who value uniqueness and sustainability, the effort is worth it. Architects often collaborate with geologists to select the right location and materials, ensuring the home is safe and durable. Despite the challenges, the end result is a masterpiece that stands as a testament to human creativity and perseverance. Even if you don't plan to live in a cave house, these designs can inspire your own home projects. Consider incorporating natural materials, earthy tones, or curved elements into your interiors to mimic the serene and rustic aesthetic of cave dwellings. Outdoor living spaces, green roofs, or indoor gardens can also help create a deeper connection with nature. Whether you're renovating or building from scratch, the principles of cave house design can guide you toward a more sustainable and harmonious lifestyle. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of cave house designs. These incredible homes remind us of the beauty that comes from living in harmony with nature, blending rustic charm with innovative ideas. We hope you found today's video inspiring and full of creative ideas. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe to Nuanza Art, hit that like button, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let us know which cave house design was your favorite. Until next time, keep dreaming, designing, and finding beauty in every corner of the world. See you soon.